Memories of him, and of course, the message you think Nigerians should take away from.
Well, firstly, let's thank God that Baba lived a very good life, and he was a very good example for a very good Nigerian. I'm a regular person to the house. Like, it's a countless time that I've done meeting with Baba. And one of the lessons we learn from Baba is that you must not compromise your principle. Baba is a strong force that if you believe in one thing, you can't easily shift it. And majorly, most of the content of the struggle is for the masses. It's an apostle of true pluralism. One of the songs you normally hear from Baba is "Let Nigeria be structured. Let the federating unit be." And it's unfortunate story that he couldn't achieve it in his lifetime. I think Baba is done. I have left the battle for us to continue. Coming here was an issue that we have been thinking that who will fill the government, because it's a rally point to entire Yoruba. There is no single human being that Baba will pick a score to call in Yorubaland that he will not come to see. Because we'll be thinking that Baba is calling because of Yoruba issues, not about partisan issues. Because he's the last closest aid to Yoruba that I will love. When you sit down here, we furnish through history from 1948, how Asian Group was formed, the struggle they fought against the colonial masters. See, it's an archive. We have lost archive, a deposit of history.
Thank you so much for your time.
Yes.
Yes, you go.